Morning, everyone. Um, Today, I'm gonna speak about something really helpful to our real estate business. It's not only for real estate business. It could be a personal relationship or a life or any other thing. Because experience is something we gain through our past life. So when it comes to business, it's something very valuable asset. In my past experiences, in my past job, and today I'm into real estate business. So as a trainee, so from those past experiences, as a sales or marketing person, I came up with some good experiences and also bad experiences. So there are two types of experiences, right? So bad experiences and good experiences. So it's all about how we take those experiences and take into our uh, present business. So it's not about the money, how much we have, or no amount of studies or readings or any other things can ever replace those experiences, right? So I just want to share with you all some uh, real experiences or real points just to add value to those experiences, bad experiences, to turn those experiences into something greater for the future greater successes. So let's see, for an example, if you all if you want to ride a bike or bicycle or any vehicle, just think about it. If you read every book that you could read about read about how to ride a bike or and also um, sorry, and also if you had some system like just to put into your mind all those information how to ride a bike and just to uh, increase your knowledge. Have you all do you all think it's going to help you to ride how to ride a bike and to ride the bike exactly in the real field? I don't think so. So it's not about the knowledge or a memory or learnings. It's about all about experiences. So you have to face those experiences, and then you got onto a bike when after learning. So your studies, I'm sure, and it's definitely you're going to fall, right? So likewise, um, in the business field also, there are a lot of real experiences we have to face, right? Not only just studies or learning. We have to uh, we have to go in the field. We have to work in the field and take those experiences. Sometimes it might be some good experience or it might be a bad experience. So when it comes to bad experience, that's the interesting part in this field. For real estate, it will be very helpful because as a trainee realtor, I don't have any experiences, but I hope our senior real estate person Brian, he have those experiences. Also, I heard those experiences when he shared with us. So like that, those experiences will definitely help for us to improve our skills. Something like this. If you have a bad experience, so how it comes to you, how it helps you. From those experiences, you can gain a lot of knowledge. That's another part. But how it comes to you, it comes from the bad decisions. So bad decisions. it's not a wrong thing. So most of the salespersons, sales marketing executives, or real estate agents, or realtors, we always think bad decisions are going to take us down, or going to fall, going to take out of the game. But it's not like that. Bad decisions are the main assets that push you to gain some bad experiences. So bad experiences are the main assets what we really gain from those past um, past experiences, past sales experience. So what I'm trying to say is, as long as you face those experiences, bad experiences, or taking those bad decisions, don't uh, fed up, don't get depressed. It's all about something. You are gaining some knowledges, you are gaining some interesting to your life, to your business. So those experiences will help you to gain more businesses, even though it uh, push you down. It should put you down. You gain some unbelievable experiences. Am I right? So what I'm trying to say is, learn from those bad experiences. Do make some bad decisions. Don't afraid for that. If you took a bad experience, it's not going to end from that point. It will be continue. So take those experiences and internalize those experiences and turn it into successes. So so as a realtor, we all have to face those bad experiences. We always we are not aware about how we are taking decisions. So if we took bad decisions, just face it. Just, it's okay, just take it. That's the message what I want to share with you all. So I hope the message which I share with you all, it is very valuable to your future works. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video. Thank you.